It's time for some Oktoberfest goodness with a Currywurst pizza. Remove your dough from the fridge for a few hours in advance to bring it to room temperature. Put the paprika, curry powder, and chili powder in a deep saucepan over medium heat, and let them warm up to activate the seasonings. Add half the vegetable oil and mix thoroughly. Sauté the spices lightly over medium heat for 3 minutes. Add the tomato paste and cook the fragrant mixture for an additional minute. Pour in orange juice, cola, and your broth to deglaze the pan. Now add grated apple, ketchup, and water, and allow to simmer for 15 minutes. Warm up a large saucepan over medium heat and add the remaining vegetable oil. Sear your bratwurst for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove and set them aside. Slice the bratwurst. Add it to the sauce and simmer gently for 5 minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Celsius or 842 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember to measure the stone temperature before launching. Sprinkle the work surface and stretch out your dough. Place it on the peel and top with that bratwurst goodness. Turn the heat down halfway and launch the pizza. Look at that thing of beauty. Now add your fries, serve, and enjoy.